We're so glad you found out about Boston Quality Cleaning Services, the most affordable commercial cleaning service in the entire greater Boston area, bar none. Here's why you should choose Boston Quality Cleaning Services to take care of your commercial cleaning needs. You'll receive personalized service unmatched by common cleaning services. Once our crew has completed its thorough, top-to-bottom cleaning, your office will be carefully inspected. Your office will be cleaned with state-of-the-art cleaning equipment, including top commercial quality HEPA vacuums. We hand-select cleaning products that are gentle, effective, non-toxic, and environmentally friendly. What sets us apart from the other cleaning companies is that we leave offices fresh and pleasing to the senses, without the overpowering chemical odors often left behind by harsh cleaners. More importantly, you're safe and secure when you hand us your key. Why? Because we're trusted by Forbes 500 companies with their offices and by restaurants, medical facilities, lawyer offices, and more. You can rest assured that on the day your facility is scheduled to be cleaned, it will be cleaned. Reliability is a must for us. God forbid, if anything bad happens, you don't need to worry. We're fully bonded and insured. Still not sure? Here's a testimonial voluntarily given in 2006 by Lisa Mullaney, an office manager at Modernista. We've been cleaning the Modernista office in downtown Boston since 2004. Here's what Lisa said. Boston Quality Cleaning Services has provided Modernista exceptional service for over 2 years. All of our expectations are always met. Our workspace is very old with all hardwood floors and many white walls, and we occupy 3 floors, which covers a large space, 22,400 square feet. This is no small feat, but Boston Quality Cleaning Services has managed the job with ease and professionalism. They're friendly, easy to work with, discreet, trustworthy. They have honest suggestions, are always efficient, timely, accommodating, and extremely flexible so as to meet our needs. I would recommend them to any company that requires personalized and friendly service. Sincerely, Lisa Mullaney, Office Manager, Modernista. We at Boston Quality Cleaning Services look forward to serving you. Please call us today for a free estimate at 1-800-836-9983. Thank you.